त्यांना म्हणावा रिपेरी आम्ही आमच्याकडे त्या पद्धतीने विवाह विधी संपन्न करतो पद्धतीने सर्व विधी संपन्न
शास्त्री वा 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 बसा खाली. बबन सांग. हा दॅट ओल्ड फेलो शेड you will have to do this marriage as per our custom, tradition, religion, झालंच the culture, and you know our whole. Hey Kashi, what's this whole? I could not follow. What to say? Ha. Very funny expression. You want to say the marriage will take place as per Indian rituals and traditions, and total custom will be followed in the marriage as per Indian tradition. Okay, right, you agreed. Right, Bappa? Right. मंडळी, पुढचा मुद्दा मी सांगतो, घाई आहे त्यांना म्हणो हे लग्न तुम्हाला दोन्ही अंगानी करून द्यावं लागेल. दोन्ही अंगानी. You will have to do this marriage by both the bodies. I couldn't follow exactly what I'm saying about the bodies. I couldn't follow what I'm saying about the bodies. You don't know? Wonderful. Oh, both the bodies म्हणजे your body and our body. Both body. Hey, Kashi, what's this body? Wonderful expression. You must say total expenditure in the marriage of both the sides. That's all about. Right, you agreed. Right, Bappa? त्यानं म्हणो तुम्हाला लग्नाचा सगळा बस्ता घ्यावा लागेल. You will have to take basta. Oh, I could have followed. I saw the basta. You don't know? Wonderful. Oh, basta म्हणजे cloth of Kashinath, cloth of his father, cloth of his mother. And basta म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहिती नाही का? बस्ता म्हणजे काय असतं? क्लॉथ अपन क्लॉथ म्हणजे लुगडं आपण लुगडं, देन साड्या आपण साड्या, देन धोत्र आपण धोत्र, देन बनारशा आपण बनारशा, देन पैठण्या, देन पंचे, देन खना आपण खना. And all these gatta cloth in one big white cloth, and that cloth here got like this and basta. Wonderful expression. You must say total expenditure of cloth of both the sides. That's a lot about. Right, you agreed? Right, Bappa? Right. तेवढ्यात मिस्टर जॉन बोला चाली करतात. Oh, I'm sorry to disturb the station, please, if you don't mind. Excuse me. Sorry for interruption. Hey, Baba, please come here. Like me know where is your toilet? Huh? Toilet.